In this video, I will teach you on how to edit PPT or PowerPoint file in mobile. So first, you need to access your Canva application on your mobile device. Once you access it, just simply click on any project or design on your Canva. And once you click on that, you will see this page, which is you could actually modify your file or your design right here, just simply like this. And then for you to able to export it in PPT or PowerPoint file, just simply click this one, which is located at the top right corner of the screen, that logo with the up arrow. And then after that, you need to click on the download and select your file type into a PowerPoint document. Then click the download for you to able to download it in PowerPoint file. So that is how you edit PPT or PowerPoint file in mobile phone.